second example, we will write quadratic equation given a pair of roots. So how does it possible? So paano yun, no? Given the knowledge that we have in the previous discussion, we could write a quadratic equation. So given here 7 and negative 2. What is 7 and negative 2? So 7 is our representation of root 1. Negative 2 would be our root number 2. No? From these two roots, gagawa daw tayo ng quadratic equation. Okay? So, balikan lang natin kanina yung ginawa natin na transformation. Okay? So, dito sa part na to. No? Ito na yung new look ng standard form kanina. Okay? As you can see, parang familiar itong B over A na to. Kanina, yung B over A natin is our sum of roots. Pero you use the negative sign. No? Yung C over A natin, that is the product of the two roots. Okay? So we have this particular given. Ang gagawin ko, papalitan ko lang naman yung B over A natin. So we all know that B over A, no, that is the sum of the two roots. That is negative. Syempre, negative B over A ang ginamit doon. So we have negative root 1 plus root 2. Take note, we have x here. This one is the sum of the two roots. Yung kaninang ginamit natin sa mga examples na binigay ko sa inyo. Okay? Next is C over A. So when we say C over A, kanina, gumamit naman tayo ng product. So C over A is the product of the two roots. So we have root 1 times root 2. So you can write that dito, or you can make them na pagtabihin na lang natin. So we have equals 0. And you know what? This particular form, ito yung gagamitin natin para masagutan natin yung second example natin. So we have, allow me to copy this particular information, kasi gagamitin natin yan dito sa ating first example. Okay. So allow me to use this particular equation. Okay? You know what? Just to review, this one is the sum of the two roots. Ito naman yung product ng dalawang roots. May given ka ng mga roots dito. Okay? So our root 1, allow me to write, that is 7. Root 2 is negative 2. Okay? So gamitin natin yung dalawang root na yan. So we have this form, and where the sum of the roots, we have root 1 plus root 2 is equal daw yan sa yung mga given na value dito. We have 7 plus negative 2. Okay? So when we add them together, 7 plus negative 2, that is going to be positive 5. And this is going to be our first part. So by the way, ito palang part na to, may papalitan ng 5 mamaya. Okay? So next, we have the product of the two roots. Root 1 times root 2 is equal to 7 times negative 2. Okay? So when we multiply them together, that is negative, or 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Okay. By the way, this one will change mamaya ng negative 14. Okay? So, then ang gagawin natin, we will change our equation, and this is gonna be our equation. So, we have x squared. Itong x squared na to, walang mababago dyan. Okay? Kaya nilagay ko lang dito nilagay ko lang yung x squared dito. Okay? Minus the sum of the roots, that is 5. Okay, we have 5 here. And we have here x, right? So we have x plus the root 1, or the product of the two roots, that is negative 14. So I will change positive and I will make it negative 14. Okay, so we have this particular equation. Equals yan dapat sa 0. So by the way, the sign is dependent to the given value here. Ito kasi ay negative, kaya naging negative 14 na yan. Okay, so our equation, given the two roots, would be like this. If I ask you, I wanted to create a quadratic equation using these two roots, this particular method is beneficial for the process of creating an equation. Okay, especially quadratic equation. Okay, so that is our first example. So allow me to present to you the second example. So we have this particular example, negative